are back in the backyard. It's a nice day today. People are out mowing their lawns. And today I'm just trying to clean up these wheels a little bit. They look alright, some of them do. I painted them when I first got my job at the body shop, so there's some mistakes on them. See, it's hard to see on the camera. I just got the GoPro today because I'm going in the paint booth, so I don't want to take my good camera in there, but I've got some runs. When I got the tires put on them, they did chip them right there a little bit. I know it's a super small chip, but it haunts me at night when I'm trying to sleep, and I want to fix it. Got it all loaded up in the truck. Let's go paint these things. Some people like chrome. I know it's kind of overplayed, but I love gloss black. So that's what I'm gonna be, just respraying these gloss black. K24 Hobby suggested white, and I thought about it, but I think I'm gonna keep it black. And I also want to get my work stickers on here. I was thinking about putting RC Rennsport, but these aren't actual work Rennsports, I don't believe. Every Rennsport I've seen has the other 1x114 holes as well as the 4x100s. Alright, so my boss said I could use the paint booth this weekend, so that's why I thought I'd just get the valve cover done too. When you have access to the paint goodies, might as well make it count. So there's that chip again. You can see it a little bit better. Just got chipped when they put the wheels on. It was really my fault because I brought the wheels in when the paint probably wasn't done curing yet, which is a big deal. And you know, these have some scratches. I could definitely just buff them out, but I didn't know very much about painting. I feel a lot more confident with my ability, but see, I got some runs right there. You can kind of see them. And this was sprayed with urethane single stage paint, which is great paint. It's tough paint, but I'm gonna go with base coat clear coat this time. I think you might be able to see that run a little bit better. So they have some runs, they have some flaws to fix. So super excited to get these going. And then the valve cover, getting some legit paint. I just rattle can this thing, so getting some glossy black. All right, so I'm gonna start with some 300 grit to get this chip kind of layered out. And I might even use some filler to fill it in if it needs it. Well, I got the wheels back. Moved one of the wheels already, but yeah, all done. Valve cover. So I got the Honda meet coming up tomorrow, and I got to get all this pretty much put back together. I got a new valve cover gasket and everything to hopefully have the car ready. So I'm probably gonna edit this video and have it up after the Honda meet, All right, the wheels are all painted. I'm going to give these guys a buff. Gave them plenty of time to cure. I'm gonna buff and polish and then wax them. Work no longer makes the RC Stark sticker, so I ordered these from Work, just their basic Work logo for wheels, and I'm gonna go ahead and use these for now. I did find some aftermarket ones, but the quality was really bad, so I'm gonna try to look for some more, but in the meantime I'm gonna run just the basic Work logo. I got this piece of tape here for marking reasons so they all end up in the same spot. I noticed that the wheels originally came with the stickers going counterclockwise from the stem to spokes up, so this spoke right here. I've already wiped it down with some Windex, so I should get some good adhesion. I'm super excited about these wheels. I've been wanting to get them painted for a long time. They were chipped up, they had runs, and now they look way better, so I'm really excited. If you want to see more builds, I definitely suggest checking out Monstro's new video. He's the founder of Our Lifestyles, some of the meets that I've featured on this channel before, and he's building another hatch. I featured his current hatch on this channel a few times, and it's awesome, so I'm super excited to see what he does with this one. In this new video, he does a Type R case swap in the new hatch, so I'm super excited to follow along and see what else he does to it. I'm going to link that down in the description and maybe a suggestion box around here somewhere. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day.